Here's Jim Anderson, Vice President of Foam Enterprises, Inc., the makers of Comfort Foam. Comfort Foam is the brand of sprayed polyurethane foam insulation that is being applied throughout Mario Andretti's house.
As we will see in the next segment, spray polyurethane foam is a quality insulation that saves energy.
It's the way to get economical, long-term heating and cooling. If you know that, you go for the best.
Let's go back inside and see how sprayed polyurethane foam is being used to create an air control envelope around Mario's house.
He's spraying the underside of the roof and over the air vents. The air vents will transfer fresh air, cool air from the eave up to the hot air points in the ridge where it will take it out. And that, in turn, that transfers our dew point from the underside of the plywood to the upper side of the plywood where the dew point should be, reducing the possibility of rot and deterioration. But this is also a continuation of the total envelope.
And here's a bonus for quality-conscious homeowners. Sprayed polyurethane foam cures to a hard, rigid material that helps make your house stronger.
This is a polyurethane application that has just been sprayed on. And as a contractor, what makes me so very happy is to be able to walk up with a homeowner and tell them, can you do this in your average home? That is structural integrity added to the quality of your home. This is an application where we're actually applying a thermal coat to the walls of the house before they're backfilled on the outside. This will keep the dramatic temperatures of the ground from being conductive through into the finished areas. This is an area where we're putting a 2-inch flash coat over the top of a finished room below here. This area will be waterproofed and covered. This will protect the finished room from the extreme temperatures of the ground and everything. It will become a landscaped area right over the top of this application. We're now in the wine cellar of Mario Andretti's home. We're spraying 2.5 inches of polyurethane foam to the ceiling. We want to minimize all of the condensation and everything and try to get this to where it will be more of a thermal type pack, just a room that is totally enclosed in an insulated form. This is a metal surface. This is almost as if it was a commercial installation because you would do coolers and freezers in commercial applications in the same fashion.
In fact, polyurethane products have been used in commercial buildings for years. Now, more and more home builders and homeowners are finding out about them.
This is actually the final process to completing our envelope. We're doing what we call the rim joist, sealing the rim joist down to the foundation, which completes our envelope. Now we have created a solid dome over the entire living space of the Andretti home.
Now that he's created the overall envelope, Gil uses one-component spray polyurethane foam to fill other gaps in the house, like spaces between the walls and floorboard, in cracks around window and door frames, and at key points throughout the electrical system. It cures in about a minute and can then be trimmed flush with the surface. This polyurethane product is a compact portable system, so it can be used to stop potential air leaks whenever it's needed, step by step, as the house is being constructed. From top to bottom, polyurethane insulation protects your home from undesirable air infiltration. And as we've seen in Mario Andretti's house, the key component is sprayed polyurethane foam. Specifically, Comfort Foam brand sprayed polyurethane foam insulation from Foam Enterprises, Inc. With Comfort Foam, you save energy and money, and the savings start immediately. First, you may be able to downsize the mechanical heating and cooling equipment in your house. Comfort Foam insulation helps control your indoor climate, so often more space can be heated and cooled with less equipment. You'll also save money on your utility bills every month. And this helps enhance the resale value when you are ready to move on. It's easy to see why Comfort Foam insulation and air seal is a wise investment right from the start. You'll also be doing your part for the environment by using less energy, fewer natural resources. you'll be part of the solution in helping to alleviate global warming and pollution. Today, people who have the chance, like you, are constructing their homes to energy conservation standards above minimum building code requirements. They're investing more into energy-saving materials like comfort foam, not because they have to, but because comfort foam just makes good sense for you, your builder, and for the environment.
If you know that, you go for the best.
It's a really good long-term investment. Thanks for helping us get the word out.
My pleasure.
Comfort foam insulation from Foam Enterprises. It's the future in saving energy and saving money in your home, and it is here now. Invest wisely. Contact us for more information on comfort foam to help make your home more efficient and more comfortable.